chose a metal roof mainly for the longevity of the roof. We're going to be here a long time, and I didn't want to have to do it again.
Our house is over 100 years old, and
Yeah.
we wanted to make it last another 100 years, and having a good roof put on it is part of that.
You offer multiple different styles of roof, not just the standing seam, which is your standard metal roof, which looks fine, but in our case with our house, as April said, it's 100 years old, and we wanted to keep that original look.
Different style options and colors and other houses you've done, and also breaking down the price points of the different styles.
Roof, this is what it costs. It was broke down into specific detail of number of shingles needed and sheeting and all the different materials and every step of the process. It was really detailed bid. That's what I really liked about it.
Communication's very important, I think, with contractors, and I think you get that from the very beginning. What I liked is I never had to call you for an update.
It was daily. It wasn't, every couple days. It was either an email or a phone call or a text. It was awesome. It was like a personal touch. The process was smooth, all the way from the first communication of the day that they pulled the trailer out. It was amazing.